Shark just came out with this Shark SpeedStyle and I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts. This video is not sponsored. This was sent to me in PR and I do work with Shark very often, but you guys already know I'm going to be completely honest with you guys no matter what. I do want to try to use the nozzle attachment for most of the blowout and then go in with this round brush attachment, which I don't know how I'm going to be able to use this. We'll see how it works on my hair, but I have a couple of different attachments here that I am going to use. I'm not going to use the diffuser attachment today, but I did use it the other day and it dried my hair in 5 minutes. I timed it and everything and it dried my hair super quickly, so I can't wait to do blowouts with this. I also have this attachment, which I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but we're gonna try it. I probably am gonna like this one more just because I'm more into like the whole round brush attachment. And we also have a flyaway attachment, so we'll try that as well. First, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Moroccanoil smoothing lotion. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to my hair, just to make sure that I have some product in my hair. Really like how this smells. This smells amazing. And this is just gonna help me get a smoother blowout. So I'm just adding that to all my hair. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Moroccanoil Protect and Prevent spray. This is a heat protectant and it's gonna add some shine. It's gonna help with frizz. So I'm just adding a pretty good amount of this to all my hair. Now I'm going to divide my hair into a couple of sections. I'm going to do kind of like a Dominican blowout. So you guys already know I like to do a couple of sections when I do blowouts like that with the regular blow dryer and a round brush, just because it's a lot easier for me to manage like all the hair. So I'm going to start doing my hair, but first I do want to talk about the price. Shark always has like different bundles to choose from. The one that I have, which is all the attachments and you also get a storage bag, this one is $260. So I'm going to put it right here if you guys want to buy this. I'm going to link this down below, but if you wanted to build your own bundle, you can do that as well. That is $180. So this one right here, but you can only pick 2 attachments. So I feel like the other one is more worth it because you can have all the attachments, but it really depends on what attachments you think you're going to use the most. So if you think that this bundle is better for you, then I'm going to link this down below as well. And if you wanted to buy each attachment individually, they are $30 each. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my hair now. I'm gonna do this section first. Highest heat setting, highest speed, and by the way, this is very lightweight. I really like that. Let's do it. Really like this nozzle attachment. It is giving me a nice concentrated dry, and this blow dryer feels so light. It feels very like easy to use. So this is the first section. It looks super nice. This dried my hair so quickly, but I do want to use this one now and just see what that could do to this section, because I could have kept going with the round brush and the nozzle attachment on this section just to like smooth it out more, give it more of a curl, but I do want to use this now and see what that can do. So let's take off the nozzle attachment. Let's see how this works. I've never used anything like this in my life. Oh wow, wait, this rotates? How is that gonna work? Okay, let's try it out. I'm gonna turn it on. Tricky because it rotates. This is very tricky to use. So I think that's how you're supposed to use it. It is definitely very tricky to use. For now, I'm just going to use the nozzle attachment and the round brush. And then at the end, I'm going to use this to touch up maybe the bangs and the front pieces, and then I'll use the flyaway attachment. I'm going to set a timer now. I'm going to let you guys know how long it took me to dry all my hair with the nozzle attachment, and then we'll be back and we're going to use the other attachments. Okay guys, so I am done drying all my hair with the nozzle attachment. I have to say my hair looks super smooth for just a blowout. I am very impressed. Look at that shine. I used Olaplex number 3 in the shower, by the way, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. It is amazing. I've been using it for years. It's great for like heat damage, and I just dyed my hair and did a couple of different things to my hair. I actually just did this hack to fade away my hair color a little bit because I dyed it black. I just didn't like it, so I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, but I feel like it definitely looks lighter, which is nice. It just looks like a dark brown, which is what I had before, so I don't know why I dyed my hair black. But yeah, considering that I put all that crazy stuff on my hair, I put baking soda, I put developer, I did like this mix, put it on my hair, left it on my hair for like 30 minutes. That definitely helped to fade away like the jet black color that I had. Considering that I just did that and I had a ton of baking soda on my hair right before this, I feel like my hair looks pretty healthy. It feels amazing. I used the Olaplex like I said in the shower, and I used these Moroccanoil products today, so I'll link everything down below. I really like this blow dryer. It is very powerful and it dried my hair in 52 minutes, which is not bad. I mean, lately it's been taking me about an hour to do my hair. My hair is growing and I have a lot of hair, so I like to take my time. I'm not rushing anymore. I used to try to like do blowouts in like 30 minutes and do my hair quick, and then I would have to touch up my hair with another hair tool throughout the week just because it wasn't the smoothest blowout. So I've been taking my time with my blowouts because I really prefer to just get the smoothest blowout on day 1, and then if I have to touch it up on like day 3, 4 with like a hair tool, like a blow dryer, I'll do that. But yeah, this is what my hair's looking like so far. I do want to try this attachment again. I feel like I don't love it as much. I just don't like that it rotates. That's like kind of throwing me off a little bit. So I'm gonna do this front section right here. You see? Just like rotating, which I mean, it's not bad, but kind of would have preferred it to not move so I could just like manually move it myself. I'm just more used to that. So maybe with time I'll get the hang of it. I'm trying to create a little curl, but it's very hard. Like the hair just keeps like falling off, like sliding off. You see? Like it's just moving. It's just weird. It's just like moving a lot. You see how it's just like rotating? So it's like hard for me to get like a grip, you know? So yeah, I don't know if I would use this brush, especially on wet hair. I feel like the nozzle attachment works better for me for blowouts. Now I'm going to use this flyaway attachment just to smooth down these baby hairs. So let's turn this on. This side is supposed to be up. Looks way better. This side looks better than this side. Super cool. Wow, my hair looks super like flat now and very smooth. So yeah, that definitely did work. I do like that attachment. I do like my hair to be a little bit more voluminous though, so I'm just zhuzhing it up a little bit. Yeah, I like that a lot better. But anyways, I actually used the diffuser attachment before. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I probably posted a TikTok already using this, so check it out. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I do feel like this hair tool is so worth it, and in my opinion, I do like it more, just a little bit more than their new smooth style. I'm gonna keep using this and keep trying it. I'm definitely gonna use it more probably to touch up my blowout, so I'll probably use this one to blow out my hair like I did today with the nozzle attachment, and then this one to give myself more like curls and volume on day 2, day 3. I can definitely see myself using this hair tool for that, especially in the heated mode, which is this, like these bristles right here. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna link down below the hair tool, the brush, the products, everything, the Olaplex. So yeah, check out the links down below. I'm also going to try to link it on the video right here. Definitely try to check that out. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.